Hi, my name's Ben Woodcraft, and I've been a builder for the last 26 years. I grew up on a farm. I'm a farmer's son, and I really missed being part of nature and getting my hands dirty on grounds and growing stuff, driving machinery. Love driving machinery. I've got four boys, four wonderful boys, and we had to think about them in schooling. But in the end, we decided we were going to move into Lincolnshire. So now we are in the Lincolnshire countryside. And we've moved into a Victorian house, farmhouse, that needs a lot of work. And the idea is that we would use the new house and facilities that we've got here, a barn, which I'll show you in a minute, that needs a lot of work. But we would use that to be able to start up this new business called Have a Go DIY Training Academy, and teach you guys the basics of being able to do the basics DIY around your own home. And going forwards, hopefully you'll give us some more ideas of what you would like to learn and do. I've got a lot of work to do on this property, and I thought maybe you'd like to share the journey with us. So I'm walking up our drive now, and you can see behind me, and there you can see Victorian coach house and stables. Let me see if I can get that back in. There you go. I've also got to relay this drive. We've had a lot of rain this year, so I haven't been able to get onto the drive and do anything with that, but I need to scrape it off and relay it. And this is what I'm tackling today. This is the ivy that goes up a wall along our drive. So this is the before, and I'm hoping we'll have a good after. this done. Behind all of that ivy was this brick wall, the original gate to the entrance to the farmhouse, the post, and a wall that's fallen over. Yeah, it's been a long day, a lot of clearing, but we got there. And it's all burnt on the fire around the corner. And this is what remains of all the ivy that we've cut down. That was huge earlier. In fact, we had 2 piles and we've been feeding it to keep burning and getting rid of it, as well as keeping a load for logs. So that's our achievements for the day.